Hello and welcome to today's research report. Today, we will discuss the new pediatric market catalyst for NanoVibronix and AOV and highlight our updated 5-year valuation outlook across base, bull, and bear cases. We have prepared a deck with additional details that will accompany this video. As always, this is not medical advice. Please consult your physician for questions regarding treatment or diagnosis. If you find this report interesting, please subscribe to our channel and consider supporting us through memberships. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. Executive Summary: NanoVibronix and AOV is an emerging medical device innovator focused on non-invasive solutions. Its proprietary surface acoustic wave or SAW technology enables advanced therapeutic interventions in fields like pain management, infection control, and chronic wound healing. Key products include PainShield for drug-free acoustic therapy, UroShield for catheter-based bacterial reduction, and WoundShield for accelerated wound healing. Recently, NanoVibronix's subsidiary, ENvizion Medical secured a U.S. patent for a pediatric feeding tube guidance system. This achievement significantly strengthens the company's IP portfolio and underscores its strategic expansion into the high-risk, high-value pediatric enteral navigation market. Notably, the pediatric acoustic guidance system aligns perfectly with the urgent need for precise, safe, and radiation-free solutions in neonatology and pediatric surgery. In conjunction with pipeline advancement and reimbursement strategies, this development adds a fresh dimension to the company's valuation trajectory over the next 5 years. We have incorporated this new pediatric catalyst into our model and adjusted our projections accordingly. Product value proposition and differentiation: NanoVibronix's core devices address substantial non-invasive needs in various therapeutic areas. PainShield offers a groundbreaking drug-free wearable therapeutic solution for musculoskeletal and neuropathic pain. By leveraging acoustic therapy, this innovative device eliminates the reliance on opioids and invasive procedures. UroShield, another game-changing product, utilizes surface acoustic wave technology to minimize bacterial colonization on urinary catheters. This breakthrough solution effectively reduces the incidence of catheter-associated urinary tract infections or 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗅, particularly in long-term catheterized patients. WoundShield represents the next generation of chronic wound healing management. Its acoustic stimulation technology enhances localized circulation and cellular repair, accelerating the healing process for patients. These products are strategically designed for home use and outpatient settings, reflecting a broader industry shift towards patient-centric care. Moreover, they offer improved patient adherence and reduced complication rates, translating into substantial cost savings for healthcare providers. ENvision's patented pediatric feeding tube navigation system offers accurate, radiation-free placement of feeding tubes in neonates and children. Compared to existing X-ray or magnet-based systems, this cutting-edge solution enables safer bedside application without the need for complex imaging. The pediatric innovation addresses a critical unmet need, reducing procedural complications and streamlining workflows while minimizing costs. Market niche and evolution: NanoVibronix and ENvizion Medical operate in a market dynamic driven by both technological advancements and direct pull from healthcare systems. On the technology side, there is a growing demand for wearable and home-use therapeutic devices, broader regulatory acceptance of real-world evidence or RWE, innovation in non-invasive AI-enabled navigation tools, and a clear preference for radiation-free devices in pediatric settings. On the market pull side, we see a rising pediatric population requiring enteral feeding solutions, a push from healthcare providers seeking non-pharmacologic pain solutions, pressure to reduce hospital readmissions and procedural complications, and a shift towards bundled payment models and value-based care. Health economics and QALY gains in the field of pediatrics. Accurately placing a feeding tube can significantly impact a patient's quality of life. Avoiding one misplacement can improve quality-adjusted life years, or QALYs, by an estimated 1 to 3 years. Considering the profound impact of proper enteral nutrition on pediatric outcomes, the value of precise feeding tube placement cannot be overstated. Within the broader competitive landscape, NanoVibronix is indirectly challenged by a variety of players offering minimally invasive solutions. However, no other company matches the unique combination of pediatric specialization, acoustic navigation, and broad therapeutic reach offered by ENvizion. While companies like PainShield, Avanos, StrateSkin Sciences, and Intelligent Biosolutions provide complementary technologies, none pose direct competition in the acoustic therapeutic or navigation space. Market access strategy. NanoVibronix and ENvizion are pursuing a lean, partner-driven commercialization approach. Financial overview and valuation considerations. As of mid-2025, NanoVibronix's financial position is as follows. The share price is approximately $1.20, giving the company a market capitalization of roughly $2.7 million. The trailing 12-month revenue is about $2.66 million, while the net loss, or TTM, is approximately $5.6 million. Currently, the company is not yet profitable. However, its valuation reflects low investor expectations, making it sensitive to upside surprises from regulatory approvals, reimbursement wins, or licensing activity. The most significant near-term valuation lever is ENvizion's regulatory clearance in the U.S. pediatric market, which could rapidly validate its acoustic navigation platform and unlock broader hospital adoption. Commercialization timeline and earnings outlook. Key commercialization and earnings inflection points are expected over the next 5 years. In 2025, the newly granted pediatric patent sets the foundation for regulatory submission. The company is still operating at a loss with projected EPS around 40 cents. By 2026, NanoVibronix aims to achieve pediatric clearance and limited hospital adoption. Projected EPS improves to around 20 cents. In 2027, successful reimbursement for UroShield and scaled ENvizion adoption may bring the company close to break-even with projected EPS near $0.05. In 2028, expansion into international pediatric markets and product bundling strategies could result in the company turning profitable with an EPS estimate around 10 cents. By 2029, broader platform adoption and institutional contracts could lead to stronger profitability with EPS in the 20 cents to 30 cents range. DCF-based valuation and risk scenarios. Our base case assumes a 35% compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, in revenue, successful pediatric clearance, and moderate adoption. Under these conditions, the fair value estimate is approximately $2.50 per share using a 13.5% discount rate and a terminal growth rate of 3%. Bull case incorporates faster US and EU regulatory wins, large hospital contracts, and potential licensing or acquisition interest. The valuation in this scenario rises to approximately $4 per share. Bear case assumes delays in FDA clearance, funding constraints, or limited reimbursement traction. This scenario yields a low-end valuation around 60 cents per share. In the event of licensing partnerships or geographic expansion, contingent value rights, or CVRs, could be structured around key milestones such as regulatory approvals, revenue targets, or exclusive distribution packs, offering additional upside to early investors. Conclusion. In conclusion, NanoVibronix and its subsidiary ENvizion Medical are poised for success in high-need, underpenetrated medical device markets. The newly granted patent for pediatric feeding tube guidance marks a strategic inflection point. With a strong IP portfolio, favorable health economics, and multi-product synergy across pediatric and adult indications, the company presents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. Investors with a focus on long-horizon medtech innovation, asymmetric returns, and IP-driven value creation should monitor this platform closely. Key signals for revaluation include pediatric FDA clearance, payer reimbursement progress, and meaningful hospital uptake. Our strategic recommendation: is to accumulate shares selectively on confirmation of regulatory or commercial milestones and to consider optionality from potential CVR-linked deal structures. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Subscribe to receive notifications about our latest content.